Hi boys and girls, Mrs. E here with another Rainbow Common Exception word video. More tricky words to learn. Let's see what we've got. Our first word today is sentence. Sentence. Right at the bottom in purple. Sentence. It's a word we're really quite familiar with. Okay? Sentence. Sen-tense. We write sentences in our English lessons. Our next word, this one is a tricky one. Separate. Separate. Let's look at it more closely. Separate. Separate. We've got a word within a word there. We've got 8 at the end of the word. We go our separate ways at the end of the day. So use your sounds partly. Separate. So it's that R in the middle that usually catches people out. Lots of people want to put an E in the middle, separate, but it's separate. Our next word is special. There it is, special. This is one that catches lots of people out. Let's have a look at it. Special. Sp is easy enough. Escial. And it's that C-I-A-L on the end. There's no words within words. You've just got to learn it. Special. Special. We are all special because we all have things we are amazing at. Our final word today is straight. There it is at the bottom. Straight. Can you draw straight lines? Okay, let's see if we can find any tricks to learn this. Stra is quite easy. A is the A-I in rain. And then it's that I-G-H-T, like in light and fright and sight. Straight. Can you draw straight lines with your ruler? I hope you can. Here's our quiz. Pick up your pencil and tell me which one of our words is hiding. Not much of a clue. Oh, will the middle solve the riddle? I think I know. This person is trying to draw a straight line. Can you write the word straight on your notebook? Straight. Let's see if you got it right. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Here's number 2. Hope you're ready. A big group of people. Oh, and there's a big line in between them. So the big group of people have been put into 2 separate groups. Can we spell separate? Remember, it's not separate, separate. See if you got it right. Great job if you did. Separate. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. And number 3, here we go. Some writing, a person. Not much of a clue in the middle. A full stop. It says, my sister walked onto the stage. And that's an example of a sentence. Well done if you guessed. Sentence. Can you write sentence on your notebook? Sentence. Did you get it right? S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. Sentence. Last one. Here we go. Lots of different types of people. All in a circle being together. all celebrating each other because they are all, you guessed it, special. Can you write special on your board? Special. Did you get it right? Special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. Great job if you got them all right. Here's hoping for a certificate on Friday. See you soon.